I got winds gusting up around 16, but I'm still gonna fly this. I think I can get a good flight in, get a nice landing. Super Decathlon, let's taxi here, see how she taxis. Well, heck, I hate being down here in the hole, so I'm gonna climb up the hill, get up here beside it. Well, heck, let's go flying. Well, so far, so good. Trim feels good. I can't really tell, it's too windy. Too windy to really see what kind of trim I'm in. And the wind's blowing it back towards the fence.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
We'll click up. I hate getting over there. The wind is absolute the strongest right there. Downwind churn. Whoa! The ground is grabby. The ground is grabby. I'd say that went well. Landing was a little bit, but I'm going against the grain. The grass, you can see the grass is grabby. Whew. Man, I'm glad to have this back flying.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Got gust over 16, so we're just going to take it easy. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Just a check flight. Didn't expect it to be so windy. Ah. Get a landing. Clear my tree.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
We missed the runway. I was just going to land in the grass, but I was stalling it, and you can't stall it. You got to ride it in. It's not a stall plane. It is a sport plane. Okay, there we go. Mo better. Clear the tree. All right, let's bring her down for landing now. Speed, 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 speed. Speed, 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 speed. Oh, that was good. Whew. All right, man, 16-mile-an-hour gust. I don't know what gust we had on the flight there. I know we had some strong winds, but whew, it was a good flight. Oh, so happy to get this back in the air. The cowl was in, like, it's got probably 8 to 12 cracks in it and breaks and pieces broken off. I just used clear bare bond tape to put it together. I covered up there right behind the tape. It's kind of crinkly. I screwed up. I screwed up on it. Instead of just pulling it off, I had good adhesion, so I left it. We fixed the motor mount. The motor box was completely broke off. We had some cracks back in the back there. We fixed those. But man, I'm real happy with the way it flew. Flew just like I remember it flying. And this wind that's a pretty spectacular flight. I'll take that. I gotta watch it doesn't flip over. There you have it, man. The OMP Decathlon back in. I don't know. The fuse was easy to. Balsa's, you know, everybody's got this opinion that you can't fix balsa. But I put a short up showing the access cuts where I cut to get to the cracks. And what I did is I used CA to put everything, a few drops of thin CA to get everything back lined up, and then just soaked the cracks with 30-minute epoxy and reinforced them with some scrap balsa and plywood. I used plywood on the fuse supports, and a piece of plywood down on the bottom of the motor box to support it, and then I reinforced where the box glues onto the fuselage. I put some balsa soaked in 30-minute epoxy to reinforce that. But there you go, man. Your OMP Decathlon back in action. Jeff in the sun, Tuco in the shade. It's windy out here. 16-mile-an-hour gusts, a little more than I wanted. But, you know, Decathlon flew great in it. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing to become part of Team Let's Go Flying. Arr, arr.